Hello everyone, today I am making disco pumpkin recipe. In this you will need the ingredients 2 teaspoon grated garlic, 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped green chili, 200 grams of disco pumpkin, 1 chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon zira, 3 red chili and 1 Maggi masala pouch which is of 5 rupees. And let's start making disco pumpkin recipe. 1 tablespoon of oil and add zira to it and mix it until it golden browns. After it gets golden brown, add 3 red chili and fry it till light golden brown color. After that, add chopped garlic and fry it to golden brown till it gets golden brown too, and add 1 onion, chopped onion. Mix it well and fry it until it gets golden brown. And after its color change into golden brown like this, light golden brown color, add 1 chopped capsicum and mix it and fry for a minute. Add 1 chopped tomato, mix it and fry until it gets little bit soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, half teaspoon of Maggi masala-e-magic, add 200 grams of chopped disco pumpkin, add 3 to 4 green chili, mix it well, fry for 5 minutes, keep stirring. After 5 minutes, transfer it to cooker because it's so hard you can't cook it in kadhai. That's why I am transferring it to cooker. Add 4 glasses of water. Each one glass is 250 ml and total is 1 liter of water. Close the lid. It's ready. You can eat it with one multigrain roti, or you can blend it with hand blender and make it a soup. Add one lemon and you can eat it with one multigrain roti or just drink the soup. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like the recipe. Please like, comment, share.